Listen, boy, my first love story.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I can't believe that it's been almost a year, over a year actually, since I last posted my video. I was in my old dorm for my undergrad and now I'm in grad school, and it's really crazy to see like my own personal growth behind the scenes. But today we have my highly requested hair tutorial. It is a bombshell blowout look. I've been loving more of a shoulder length, well not shoulder length, but a little bit past my shoulders. I feel like it's so flattering for my features. Let's get right into this video.
I prefer using straightener. It gives a flawless look every single time and it's so much faster. As you can see, I'm sectioning off the front piece of my hair. I always start out with this. It is the most important part. I am curling it forward on a medium heat. You don't need to put it on high too much, enough to warm up the hair, and I'm putting it up into a curl and pinning it down. The other half section of my front pieces, I am curling it away from my face. This will give me that blowout effect. The method to this is basically clamping down the hair tight enough for the heat to travel through your hair and also pulling it away from your face, like dragging it down. As you can see, I'm flipping it over, slowly dragging it down, so that way I'm creating a pattern of a curl and then I'm pinning it up almost immediately. If you are a beginner and you want to avoid burning your fingers or your ears or your face in general, make sure that you are starting out with curling your hair away from your face and not inwards. Don't try that just yet until you are confident enough with mastering the flick of your wrist. Wanted the front pieces to come forward like this way, and then the back piece to face that way. And then the sides 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So as long as you have the layout of the section envisioned in your head, it's easier to know exactly where you're starting and when you're ending. So, and now I'm going to let this kind of cool down. Putting it in pins or just clips is very crucial for these curls, or else they're just going to fall loose, unless that's what you're looking for, if you want more loose curls. But for me, I like them to be nice and structured, and I'll come back to this later. This is my favorite part of the whole process. Like, it's so satisfying to just see all the curls come out. You can tell the difference if you just let your hair down immediately right after you curl it. It's just going to fall loose. And now we're going to use my dry shampoo volumizing. That, like, my hair is super poofy and dramatic. And put this all over. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I hope this tutorial was somewhat helpful, and if you do end up recreating it, make sure you tag me, DM me, let me know. I would love to see your creation, and I'll talk to you next video. Bye.